Well, we just arrived here at the Anaheim Majestic Garden Hotel. It is about 7:10 in the morning. Looks like one of the shuttles has just arrived, and there's a line of people over here ready to go ride that shuttle. We are going to see if our room is available already, and if it is not, we are just going to leave our bags with Bell Services. And here we go, all decked out for Christmas. The last time I was here was Halloween, so it was fun seeing Christmas trees all over the place and the lobby here. In fact, Amy and the kids and my mom have never been here before, so this is a brand new for them. And we're gonna go right over here to check in. Okay, so we got all checked in, and now we're gonna go to our room. They had it available already, though they did have a $50 early check-in fee. They said that 4 p.m. was check-in otherwise. The elevator is really tiny though, but that's okay. So we're on the 3rd floor, and we're going to room 3234, and the kids are off looking for it. Look at them, so excited, so excited. So here we have our Enchanted Knight Jr. suite. This is more than a standard room because we needed a 5th sleeper. So we have 2 queen beds over there. This very cute little castle right here. Benjamin saw that and he was like, I want to sleep in there. They do have a pillow in there, but I don't really know that it's meant for sleeping, but it is very cute. And then we have a pull-out couch over here, of course. So I think you could probably sleep 6 in here. But there's 5 of us, so we definitely needed a bigger room, more than just the 2 doubles or 2 queens. So let's go see what else is in the room. We have the desk over here, an ice bucket, a phone, not much else, just a standard seat. Oh, what's this here? We got is this the closet? Yeah, here we go. Nice big, wow. This is a huge closet. I don't think I've ever seen a closet this big in a hotel before. We have a iron and ironing board, looks like an extra pillow, a in-room safe, 2 luggage racks. I feel like most hotels usually only give you 1, so again, wow, this hotel always exceeding my expectations. We love this. Well, I love this hotel. Again, my family hasn't been here in this hotel before. We have a dresser here with 3 drawers and a mini fridge. Now, most mini fridges, this one actually is fairly cold. A tiny bit of ice in the freezer. I just feel like those little mini fridges in hotels hardly are cold enough to handle things, but that one should be fine. And then we've got a little coffee maker here and two coffees that are provided for you here. Over here at the little end table, we've got a porcelain knight sort of figurine. That's cool. And just, standard clock and phone. As far as outlets go, I'm having to go hunt for it. Wow. So it looks like just a single outlet behind the bed, which is a bit unfortunate. No clock radio that has USB ports and a plug. That's a bit of a downside to me. And here's a quick look at the bathroom. Cute shower curtain, I like that. A relatively small bathroom though compared to the last time that I was here when I stayed in a king room. I felt like that bathroom was a lot larger. I'll link down in the description to that hotel review if you want. Oh, look at that. That's fun. If you want to see that other hotel review. We've got a tub in here. I always like to make sure that there's a tub. Benjamin takes showers now, but when he was younger, he refused to take a bath or, a shower in a place that didn't have a tub, where it's basically shower only. So that's good to know, especially if you are interested in that sort of thing. Oh, and we've got a hairdryer over here. All right, now we are going to go catch the shuttle. They said that the shuttle runs every half an hour, starting at 7 o'clock. So 7:30 is the next shuttle, and it is about 7:25-ish. So we're hopefully gonna go catch that shuttle into the park for Disneyland this morning. And the shuttle just arrived. So here we go. I'm gonna go get back to the back of the line, and hopefully we still make the shuttle. Well, we chose the very, very back. Benjamin's over there by himself. He's very proud of himself. But you can walk to Disneyland from this hotel, but it is a 20-minute walk, so just take the shuttle. That's what we're doing. It goes often enough. And, I mean, wow, look at all these seats. There's so much room on this shuttle. And here we are. The shuttle took about 10 minutes. So again, 20 minutes to walk, 10-minute shuttle. And we are linking right up with the main crowd that are walking over that way. And we have to head that direction. And where the shuttle dropped us off right over there is also where the shuttle picks you up. And just 5 minutes later, we're through security and approaching the entrance gates. So it's 7:45, and yeah, we left the hotel at 7:30. Well, we are getting ready to go back to our hotel for an afternoon break, and Amy asked, what number on these poles does our hotel stop at? Well, they don't really stop at a number. Every hotel just comes straight to this covered area, and they'll only back up if, like Candy Cane just got here, which is another one of our favorite hotels. We're not staying there this time, but I love Candy Cane. We're just waiting for our bus to arrive. To come to the park from the hotel, the bus leaves every half an hour starting at 7 o'clock. So 7, 7:30, 8, 8:30, 9, 9:30, etc. To pick you up and take you back, it's every 15 minutes. On the 15 and the 45, rather. Still every 30 minutes. But it's like 7:15, 7:45, 8:15, 8:45, that sort of thing. So as I was saying, our bus did arrive, and it pulled in right behind Candy Cane. And now we're actually pulling out before Candy Cane. But now they're going to take us back to the hotel, and we'll probably kill like 2 hours back resting in the afternoon. Well, now we've got some time to poke around and look at some things, and it looks like they have this festival of trees. Help them by voting for your favorite trees. So it's, I guess, a donation. You can offer donations for charity. To the left of the entrance, if you come over this way, this is where you can find their deli and like concessions and purchase, gift shop too. Their gift shop is over here this way. But they've got sandwiches that you can purchase, some fruit, looks like a little charcuterie type tray there. Lots of candy and snacks, as well as some cereal options because breakfast is not complimentary at this hotel. So if you want some breakfast, you can purchase these little cereals. They are $4, so you could also pack and bring your own. Additionally, they do have a bakery over here where you can get like a cinnamon roll for $4.25. We've got a chocolate chip muffin, looks like a bagel, and croissants. The croissants $3.95. Beverages available as well, and you can see those prices for the drinks. Right across from the deli is an arcade or a little game room. I did not notice this the last time I was here. Leave it to my kids to find it. Looks like we've got some pool cues. So we do have a pool table right here. Takes quarters. What is it? It does not say how much though. Maybe just $1 because there are 4 quarter slots. So probably $1 to play pool. That's not bad, really. And not like, there's any prizes or anything, except for this little winner every time thing over here, where you can get this plastic treat. And then, of course, they have this type of game where it's almost impossible to win them. But just some electronic things. We've got a Pokemon tin up there at the top. Ooh, a Nintendo and NES old school system, and some more different boxes in here. I see One Piece and Pokemon, PJ Masks. Let's see what things cost. Purchase a new game card. And one card. Pay with cash, sure. 4 credits per $1. So 20 credits for $5. There's no discount. There's no discount depending on the higher amounts that you get. Just 4 credits per $1. And an average game like Terminator Salvation here is 4 credits. So that's $1 to play. Cruise and Blast over here is 8 credits. So that's $2. That winner every time crane game we looked at earlier, also 8 credits, $2. $2 for that little thing. They do have a restaurant in this hotel. It's the Hanagi Japanese restaurant. Not sure if I pronounced that right, but it is currently closed. Probably opens up later in the evening, and that is right near the game room, and the deli is right here. The lobby's just over that way. Oh, you just noticed there's an ATM in here too, so some people find that interesting or helpful to know that there is an ATM. Also off the main lobby is another restaurant, the Garden Court Bistro. And it does say it's open for dinner Wednesday to Saturday, 5 p.m. to 10 p.m. So that's, again, just over here off the lobby as well. And the bar over there, it says it opens at 4 p.m. Here's a sign that says Princess Corinne invites you to fireside storytelling. That's Friday night. That's tomorrow. Today's Thursday. So tomorrow night at 5:30, we'll be in the park at that time. So not going to happen, but it is in this cute little warm and super inviting space. Don't you just love how this hotel looks? Once we got back to our room, I decided to take a look out the window and I can see the pool. I feel like when I stayed last time, I was in that room right there above my finger there. It was on the first floor, just off of the pool down there. I could literally walk out of my room. They had another door at the back end of the room and just walk straight into the pool. Not that I used it, but that was a really cool feature that room had. And it looks like a lot of the rooms do overlook the pool. This is just a nice, quaint little space. So we did not get a chance to do a final review of the hotel because we were just kind of like rushing to get out of there this morning to make the shuttle. But what did you think of the hotel overall?
I thought it was nice. The room was really, really big, which was great. Kind of thing. We didn't really get to explore the grounds, that much because it's winter and it's not like we went swimming or anything. So I don't know what that would have been like.
Yeah.
So.
As far as the shower goes, it was very high pressured. The water temperature was good. And as far as the beds go, I felt like the bed was a little, I don't know, like not as comfortable as I'd necessarily want it to be.
Yeah, I was so tired I didn't care.
And as far as the pillows go, I found mine to be a bit lumpy.
But picky.
I am picky. I usually bring my own pillow. That's how picky I am. I forgot it at home. But anyhow, overall, I think it's a gorgeous looking resort. It's pretty affordable. I should look up what it costs. Let me look it up. All right, so it was $207 for a junior suite, which is sleeps 5, well 6 actually. But you could get cheaper rooms.
That's really not bad.
And well, after all the fees and parking, and because there's $22 for parking, plus like 17.9% tax or whatever, I don't know exactly. That's weird. It did end up being like $300. So just factor in all the resort fees and parking fees and things that they slap on you because it's a hotel.
Compared to some of the other ones now, that's about average.
I feel like Candy Cane is floating at like $330 before all the fees.
But Candy Cane has free parking.
It does have free parking and free breakfast. That's why we love Candy Cane. I shouldn't be talking about another hotel in this hotel review though. So.
But no, I wish I suppose I should have walked around more yesterday because it was really pretty inside, and then especially at Christmas right now, they have lots of decorations all around outside, so that part was really nice.
I do love this hotel. It's probably my second favorite hotel to go to just because of how spacious it is and how beautiful it is, and the free shuttle to get you to the parks. So that's been a really nice feature. And with a look at the Disneyland Castle, we'll go ahead and sign out for this video. If you enjoyed it, please hit the like and subscribe button. If you have any questions that I did not answer, go ahead and drop them in the comments below. Thanks for watching. Click the video on screen to keep watching, and we will see you again next time.